Hi, today I'm making a basic muffin recipe which I'll be adding raspberry and white chocolate to. You can choose to add whatever flavour you like to this recipe. I'll be doing the recipe all by hand, so if you don't have a stand mixer at home, this is a really simple recipe to follow along to. So we'll start off by adding 3 eggs into your bowl and give it a quick whisk. And then you go in with 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of oil, and I'm using vegetable oil, just a very mellow vegetable oil, or you can choose to use raspberry or grapeseed oil, but do not use olive oil. Okay, give that a whisk. Once that's all combined, you can go in and add your dry ingredients. So I have 1 cup of caster sugar. Stir it in. So once that's all mixed up, it's time to add in your self-raising flour. So I have 2 cups of self-raising flour. So stir through your flour once it's sifted. Okay, once your flour is all incorporated, you can go in and add your flavour combination. So I'll be adding raspberries. I'm using fresh raspberries today, but you can choose to use frozen raspberries, and also some chopped up white chocolate. So that all goes into the mixture, and fold it through your mixture, taking it from the sides of the bowl and putting it towards the middle. So I'll be pouring my mixture into silicone muffin trays. I'll also be lining the muffin trays with a little bit of butter. This just means when they've cooled down, I can easily pop them out. Okay, and then you want to fill your muffin trays 3/4 of the way full, because they do rise once they start cooking. So just wipe the edges of the tray down so you don't get any burnt bits. And then the muffins are ready to go into an oven that's been preheated to 160 degrees for 15 minutes. So once the muffins have come out of the oven and they're completely cooled down, it's time to pop them out and serve. So all you have to do is just push very slightly along on the bottom and they pop out just like that. So now they're ready to be served. Now I'm probably going to serve these with just some icing sugar sifted over the top, or you can choose to use a dollop of cream on the top of them, but they don't really need anything because they're sweet enough with raspberries in them.